What is up, guys? Buongiorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of Italian pasta, this shape of pasta. This is a word that literally means in Italian butterfly. Yes, those are the butterfly pasta. So how do you go about pronouncing this name with the typical Italian pronunciation? No, it's not farfalle, but rather farfalle. Farfalle. Yes, you do want to insist on the middle A, the middle syllable, farfalle. With the typical Italian pronunciation, it'd be fine in English or American to say farfalle. Farfalle pasta, la pasta di farfalle. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce Italian foods and products and produce, here are many more words from Italian that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Arrivederci.